In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove app access to your Google Drive. This process is pretty straightforward and only takes a few minutes. First, you'll need to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by visiting the Google Drive homepage through your web browser. Once you're on your Google Drive page, you'll notice a small gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking the gear icon, you'll then select the settings option from this menu. Once the settings window opens up, look to the left-hand side of the panel where you'll find various options. Here, you need to click on Manage Apps. This section allows you to see all the apps that currently have access to your Google Drive and is crucial for managing them. Next, you might be tempted to explore the option that says Connect More Apps, but in our case we don't need to add any apps right now. Instead, stay focused on the apps that are already connected. This Manage Apps section is a powerful tool that shows you exactly what apps have permissions to interact with your files, giving you full control over which third-party applications can access your Google Drive. Now, within the list of connected apps, find the specific app you want to remove access for. This is where you can identify any app that you no longer use or trust with access to your files. Look closely at the options available for each app. Next to the app's name, you'll see a small icon or 3 dots, which signifies more options. Click on this to open the menu. You'll be presented with a few options depending on the app, but what you are particularly interested in here is the option to uninstall or remove access. Selecting this will effectively revoke the app's permissions to your Google Drive. Make sure you only uninstall apps that you're certain you no longer need, because this action can't be undone from this menu. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed an app's access to your Google Drive. It's a good habit to review which apps have access to your Google Drive periodically to ensure your files remain secure and to reduce unnecessary data sharing. Keeping your digital environment clean and secure helps maintain your productivity and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.